Okay, well, there we go. Okay, so 14.02. And this is a pretty short one. And again, we've gone over most of this in class, so this will probably be review. I guess I can keep that up. Okay. And once again, I'll post this video into here. So for this point, we're going to be making suggestions. And if I get any typos wrong, I'll fix them. I'll fix them in post. Well, I'll fix them on the actual PowerPoint. So if you're going through this with it, hopefully that will help. All right. So we're going to be complaining. We started complaining about roommates and talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly with them. So normally what we would do is we would try to look at that sort of flow of conversation of someone expressing a problem. So like saying, are you okay? What's wrong? What's happening? Person saying, well, this is what's happening with me, complaining. Next person making a suggestion, and then responding to that, right? So again, I mostly do this in conversation in class. When I ask, hey, what'd you do over the weekend? Or what are you doing next weekend? I try to pull out things that you might be complaining about, things that might be bad. Maybe you talk about your bowling game and how bad it went. Anyway, so we will play with this sort of shape of the conversation in a much more natural situation. But there are a couple of scripted things that we can go in if we're running dry on conversation. You feel okay all afternoon, right? So as the time goes as the sun is dropping down in the afternoon, right? You feel, and then lousy, feel tired, or you could say feel lousy, tired, sore throat, eyes hurt, back. You could point to back, but that looks like you're pointing backwards in time. But if you're back, now if you see FS, that means fingerspell. And if it's FS, it means fingerspell it clearly. We'll talk about faster fingerspelling, lexical or lexicalized fingerspelling later. But back, sore, or back hurts. Now, why not? That's a really handy phrase to learn. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Has lots of different applications. Go for it. Well, I'm thinking about doing this. Why not? I was thinking about skydiving. Why not? Right? Or, oh, feeling sick. Why not go home? And go away or go. Like this is more like get out, go away, right? Go away. It's not necessarily like it can be chasing someone out, like shoo, or it could be just get out of here, like. Good idea. That's why I said it, right? That's why I'm so sick. Ooh, maybe they'll suggest I go home. Yes, right. So, we can practice this. Most of the time, this can come up in conversation really easy to get there. So I feel like the scripted stuff gets a little bit boring. Now, finish. Finish, you've probably seen in the past, depending on which textbook you're coming from. This can mean lots of different things. In this case, it means, have you done it? Finished, see doctor? Like, have you already gone to the doctor? See doctor? Or it could be, I already saw. So you can ask the question. You can make it as a statement. Now, medicine. How are different ways we take medicine? Eyedropper, take pill or pill, spoon, right? take a syrup, right? Rub on. Hopefully, you're not doing that yourself, right? But if you just picture what's the mime of how you take that medicine, that's going to be the best way of doing it. And then they've got it set up where all of these can end with a question. So, have you already seen the doctor? Why not? Call to the doctor. Call doctor. Third response could be should. Now, notice it's not a must. It's maybe better of these different options. Try medicine. Or all those different ones. Should lie down. Here's the person lying down, and then sleep. And then what do you think, right? The well. So, and again, so much of this can come out of conversation. Why not call doctor, right? And I added this because there's the footnote of the why not, how to suggest an idea. A couple more things where if you're one person's complaining, the other one makes suggestions, and then flip that around. Responses also that are good idea, right? Good or good idea. So it's like think, but it just sort of pops out, right? Oh, good idea. You're right. Right. You're right. And try. Sometimes you'll see it with T's. It's very English. And will. You can also do that. I'll try. I should do that. I did it already. Finish. Not help. Not help. Or and this is a sign for insurance. No insurance. Can't or can't afford. And then, one of the activities we can do is we pair up and talk about this stuff. And I do want to say this. Sometimes people feel uncomfortable in class talking about this stuff. You don't ever have to tell the truth in class. If you're welcome to make up something, and I will recommend just use the example dialogues that are there. So you never have to talk about anything personal. All we want to do is see you use this stuff, right? So now the next step with all these is to show intensity. I should. If it's not really a big deal, it's kind of small. I should go home, but I'm not gonna. Right? If you're, I should go home. I can't work. Right? ER or hospital. Go hospital. Okay. So the bigger you make the facial expression, the more emphasis there is. And again, it's a short chapter. That's really all there was in this. And again, I put those same 4 videos because they go over all the vocab. And that is 14.2. And now I just went